Hello, candy apple slices. I'm going to remove the skin from my apple. I'm going to cut my apple into slices. I'm going to put the toothpick through all my apple slices. And then I'm going to freeze my apple slices for 24 hours. For my recipe, I will be using a half a cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of powdered corn syrup, a drop of gel red food color. I'm going to add some flavor, and I'm going to microwave my candy mixture for about 5 to 6 minutes, depending on your microwave. And then I just wait like a minute before I start dipping my apple slices. Let's see how they taste. Okay, they taste really good. Bye-bye.